Hello, my name is Bernie, Pre-Press Supervisor at Hemlock Printers. In this session, we will review how to build basic varnishes using InDesign.
Varnishes have many advantages when used in your projects. The two most common reasons would be to protect inks from scuffing and for aesthetic reasons. Areas with heavy ink coverage could benefit from the protection of a varnish. Use of gloss and matte varnishes could add depth and the ability to draw the reader's eye to certain key parts. Basically, treat varnishes like inks that do not carry pigment. All you need to do is repurpose your existing elements into varnishes. So let's start by making a new layer in the document, and we'll call that our varnish layer. And then we'll also add a couple of swatches. One called gloss, varnish, and we'll color that 100% cyan. We'll add that. And another one we'll call matte. And we'll color that 100% magenta. As you can see, we've added two new spot colors within our document. One is gloss, one is matte. So now that we've built our spot colors and we've built our varnish layer, we can go ahead and copy our content, copy, and paste it into our varnish layer, as you can see. And then from here, it's quite simple. You can go ahead and colorize whatever you feel like to make a varnish. So as mentioned, the background will be matte, and of course we need to go 100%. The text we will color gloss. And the logo we will also color gloss. And there you have it, our gloss matte combination. And you can see the fit is perfect. This concludes our presentation on building basic varnishes in InDesign. My name is Bernie. Thank you for watching. Please visit hemlock.com for other resources.